Rainbow color is my favorite unicorn.
Weh, lagot ka, tita.
Wala akong kulay din.
Home service yan. Diyos ko, Lord. Ah.
It's tickled. It's tickled.
Kahit lang kasi, ma'am, yung kuko niya mano
It's
pa.
tickled.
So, baka gusto ko.
Lagyan mo na ng martayulit na magpula. Okay na yan.
Sige po.
You have money? Huh? Why?
Sige.
Pula-pula.
Give kami. Give kami. Like the rainbow? You like rainbow? Let's move in.
Cute? Cute?
Are you happy?
Welcome for Alexa.
Oh, don't move. Oh. I will blow. Yung shape ng kuko niya. Ito parang kuko ko na ba, no?
Wow, malalaki kasi te.
Oh, hindi, tsaka yung shape ng ano.
Hindi, yung dito niya. Pare-pareho. Mantayin ko tayo kung bibigay niya yung kamay niya. Ha? Kung paalala.
How about that?
Oh my God. Tomorrow na yan.
No, but I like it.
Okay.
Oh, na your hair na. Good to start.
No, but
What do you want for your hair? For your nails?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What do you want? Give it to me.
Lagyan mo na ng martoyo ulit diretso. Huwag mo nang anuhin na yung katiran. Huwag na. Oo.
Kaka ng katanong to.
Oo.
Huwag na natin yung kayo. Kasi baka masugatan mo lang po eh. Start mo sa'yo. Nantayin ko mo lang yung paglipid. Nantayin ko mo na.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Sa martoyo ulit lang beautiful na eh.
Kakulay ba? Gabing-gabi na. Matutulog na nga lang. Magkakulay pa.
Pero yung mukha niya nantok niya. Kaya nagpapatimpla na siya ng meme sa akin. Tapos ano na lang yan siya ngayon, water meme.
Water meme?
Isang timplang milk na lang yan. I will make you water meme. You don't like water meme?
Cute.
Cute.
Alam mo, Te, may napanood ako sa TikTok. Yung kuko ng bata, siguro wala pang 1 year old. Wala na mag-aate. Nagnana. Siguro, na-stock ng mga parents na hindi ganyan kataran. Tapos inayaan na lang nila yung umano sa laman. Bumulong sa laman. Oh.
Okay, you have money? You should give to Tita money. Where's your money? Where?
I can't put money. I want to put something.
What?
You have.
Give me. Okay. Give to Tita money. No, don't touch it. Oh, don't touch it. Blow mo muna, blow mo.
Oh, for this.
Ako talaga?
No. How about my feet?
Napapapablow mo pa talaga yung feet mo.
Suba.
Letsa, where's your money?
No, Mickey.
Let's
No, no.
Oh, you need to pay. You need to pay, Tita na. You have money. Where's your money na?
I don't know.
Huh? Huh?
Money, please. Get the money.
Huh?
Get the money.
No, I don't have money anymore.
You have. I see it.
I see it. That is for Tita. Oh, give to Tita na. Oy. Ang daya mo ah. Ang daya mo ah. Apa? Budol ka ha, budol ha. It's not good ha, budol ka. Again ha, budol ikaw ah. That is my money. Okay. And then. Oh, say bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Tito, love you.